And these two projects here, or sites here, are the main area that has been worked previously. So it's only a small portion of the licence that we've had a look at so far. It has a JORC-compliant 180,000 ounce gold resource in it. So it's a sizeable one to start with. It's historical pits from, and a main historical pit from artisanal workings. It's probably gone down 15, 20 metres at the most. It's open along strike. It's also open back down this way as well. But it has, within that 180,000 ounces, 60,000 ounces of indicated resource at 2.4. And we've done, well, Aurora has done a little bit of work on that as well, just to get some indications of mining economics, basically. So it's the Fofoka resource is basically, we've worked up to 60,000 ounces. It's a previous alluvial mining bonanza zone. Gold is found in both quartz veins and in a stockwork, which is important. We've got copper with the mineralisation as well, up to 3% in areas, and it's open along strike. Now, these were the initial rock chip samples from the site. So you can see that there's significant gold chips results, but there's also 3%, up to 3% copper in it, so that needs to be taken into account with the economics, which we haven't done to date. The follow-up drilling that was completed to do the resource, the high zones of just under a metre of material at 200 grams per tonne. But these are the ones that I tend to like a little bit more because they give you a bit more width to the mining. So it's 9 metres at 4 grams. This is a helicopter view of the Fofoka resource with the mineralisation projected to surface, which is the red. And basically the lines that you see going through are the lines that have been drilled. And if we click a little bit further, we've taken the scale down a bit, so if you can just keep in mind that this zone here is 180,000 ounces of gold. We have completed, or Aurora completed, geophysics over the extension to this, and they've come up with these anomalies, one here, and also there's a secondary anomaly down over here. Now, the idea is that we feel that there is potential to extend this resource from just 180,000 ounces there, which is represented there, and include this area here by further doing work, such as trenching or some drilling. But to present time, we've got outcrop material of 6 grams, and we've got the Casuarina vein, which, as you can see, there's been a little bit of working done on it, of 13 and 8 gram material. So it's combined potential at this present stage, I could safely say, would be around about 360,000, 400,000 ounces. We've also got zones that are further to the north of that as well. Now, this is the mining engineering work that was completed on the project. It shows, gone one wrong one. It shows the pit with the ore, the coloured blocks of the ore. And these were figures run at a cash price, or a gold cash price, of $600 an ounce, which we know is a little bit below what it is at the moment. But being conservative, we base 25,000 ounces per year production on the current resource. CapEx of about $8 million, which we believe we can reduce. The NPV comes out at over $20 million, discounted at 10%. Cash positive in 11 months. And we're looking to commence, or Aurora was looking to commence construction in mid-2009. We still feel that we can get away with maybe 12 months lead time to put this into production, if not a little bit earlier, if we really push. The Fofoka ore is typical quartz vein with breccia, a lot of sulphide through it as well, so hence the geophysics is working well as an exploration tool. And then we've got free gold within this as well. Just very quickly, capital structure and cash position as we speak. As of, I think, about another 4 days ago, we raised another $325,000 in Slovenia, which is very good. So these will not be included in this. But at the present time, we have 42.35 million shares on issue. That'll go up by 3 million shares for the additional seed that's just been raised. About 300 shareholders. Current options on issue to directors and consultants, about 5 million. Cash at bank will be $1.4 million Australian, and then the market capitalisation based on a full listing at $3.5 million. So we do the full $3.5 million, raise that, means another 17.5 million shares at 20 cents. So there will be just under 60 million shares on issue at IPO and a market cap of about $12 million. Work planned and underway. Obviously, we're in Q3 as it is at the moment, so we're already doing this work. We've got the IP and magnetic geophysics being done at Sao. As I said, there's probably about another week to go on that. There's been some interesting results, so we've actually extended the work a little bit. There'll be trenching at Sao to test the strike potential of the main zone, the 80 metres at just under 1 ounce. Continued field exploration on a low level at Sao and Comandante Araras after that. Q4 in 2008, there'll be follow-up trenching on both prospects as required. And then Q1 09, we're looking to obtain, once we've negotiated, the Sao Domingos project, the Fofoca resource, to bring on board. Hopefully increase resources at both the Sao and the Fofoca project through drilling. And then we'll start initiating the mine planning, designs and economics to see whether we need to do more drilling or look to put it into production.